Now, in a pioneering initiative aimed at combating vaccine misinformation, the Ghana Health Service and UNICEF have introduced the Cranky Uncle game, designed to educate individuals and the general public on vaccine misinformation. This innovative approach seeks to address vaccine hesitancy by fostering critical thinking and awareness of the importance of vaccinations in public health. Rejoice Semefakbesu has more.
Educational tool designed to combat misinformation and promote critical thinking about health topics, particularly in the context of vaccination. The game is part of efforts to address vaccine hesitancy and increase awareness of the importance of vaccinations in public health. The game aims to teach players how to recognize and respond to common arguments and myths related to vaccines and immunization. It encourages critical thinking by presenting players with scenarios where they must evaluate statements about vaccines. Social Behavior Change Officer at the UNICEF Country Office, Idi Idrisu, says the app is another way to reach out to people in the digital space and educate them on crucial health issues.
We learned from COVID, and as we also know, COVID came with so much misinformation and disinformation. So, basically, people were just using common tricks such as fallacy, conspiracy theories, natural is best, as some of ways that they use to trick people around misinformation. So with these tricks, there was a need for people to be taught to identify misinformation. So in social behavior terms, we term it as pre-bunking. That is, you try to educate people by giving them information to identify those tricks. And the purpose of this app, one, is to kind of educate people, thereby promoting vaccine literacy. With UNICEF Social and Behavior Change, we use multiple channels of communication to be able to reach out to mass audience, to large group of people. And remember that we are in an era of digital age where people will want to use digital tools to be able to really understand things that are happening within their environment. And so for us, the app is just an additional way of expanding our reach to cover people who are on the digital space, especially young people who were behind the spread of some of this misinformation during COVID. Because they have access to digital tools, they are able to spread misinformation by just passing on whatever that they listen. But with this app, they are able to, they themselves, learn and understand and identify some of these tricks, so that when they know that this material contains mis or disinformation, they are able to even not spread it.
The game typically involves scenarios or statements from a fictional character known as the Cranky Uncle, who spreads misinformation about vaccines. Players are presented with these statements and must decide whether they are true or false. By engaging with the game, participants learn to distinguish between accurate information and myths surrounding vaccines. The game helps to build skills in evaluating evidence and understanding the importance of immunization. The Cranky Uncle game app is available on the App Store for Apple phones and on the Google Play Store for Android.